2014 Forest River Salem Villa Estate for sale in Victoria, Kansas. 67671. This is a like new 2014 Forest River Salem Villa Estate. Original owner of this travel trailer, smoke and pet free, and has never been camped. In interior features, vinyl floors, carpet, oak cabinets, top-bottom French, microwave, dining table and 4 chairs, skylight, TV, CD cassette, sound system, monitor panel, date-night shades, fireplace, central duct, queen island bed, sofa sleeper, 2 rockers. Exterior features, patio door, outside entertainment system, ducted AC unit, roof AC, awnings, basement storage.